Alright, so here we have the Ryobi 2000 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer. We're going to do an unbox and a little test and see what it's all about. I've heard good reviews on it, but I want to check it out myself. Just got it at Home Depot. It was $200. It's got a 3-year warranty, so we'll see how it is. So we'll open it up and assemble it and see what's good. Got it opened up. So we have here, got the wand, got the gun. Everything seems to be packaged nicely. I like the wand because it has this the different tips you could put in there instead of just the swivel tip to adjust. And we got all our hardware, warranty card, all our parts there. Handle for it, and then we have the tank. I believe you can put some soap in here. Yeah, we got the soap tank, and we have the actual unit itself. We got the unit. We got the wheels in the box. So we'll put it together and we'll test it out. The main reason I bought this is because my gas one died after 17 years. So I want to see, I've never had an electric one. I just don't want to hear the noise of it and or take care of another engine. So I figured I'd try the electric one. 2000 PSI seems to work good. This is mainly for my dirt bike. So 2000 PSI seems to work good. That was my other one it did a great job. So we'll see how the electric one works. Right, got it all set up. It didn't take me more than 5 minutes to set it up. Got her plugged in, hose all connected. Crank her on and see how she goes. It's up and primed. Let's see here. Nice, a little softer than the gas. But it'll definitely get the job done for sure. Of course, in a tight spot, it'll do just fine. Nice and quiet. That's all I want. We're back. We're going to test, I won't ride today. We're going to test the pressure washer out on the bike, see how she works. We didn't get too muddy, but where I did ride today, it's like river silt, so it gets really caked on. It's like fine dust, but it was a tad bit muddy. So we'll see how she works today. We'll actually do a little. Let's see how she goes on the skid plate here. Well, that's definitely good. That's perfect. Perfect amount of pressure. You don't want too much.